You're gonna make me laugh. Okay. No, I'm trying so hard to talk. Okay. I know. Okay. Don't be embarrassed. You're fine.
Is my baby alright? The cat dead? I am. Right there now. How did that happen?
Someone was going really, really, really fast. And
Did you just drive over the cat there now? While you were sitting here?
our ginger cat.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's the one she phoned me about.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Where is it?
I don't know. Me and Mia were gonna go look at it. We saw like the man go out and get it and everything.
Did he go out and lift it or did
He got and lifted it and put it on the side of the road.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Now, how the fuck did that happen just like that?
He was literally going about 90 miles an hour, you know.
I know the woman that owns that wee ginger cat. Oh, Queen Mia. I knew how to be sitting.
She didn't need that tonight, but stuff.
No, she didn't know she didn't need any more shit. No, that's just...
How old is it?
We won't pay.
Should we go tell her? Should we actually go tell her?
But I just check with you and who's that. See, Majella has a wee black cat and the ginger cat's always...
It was such a
She
small
isn't.
cat, oh my.
Small cat.
It was a really tiny cat.
Oh, was it? She was a kitten.
No, it wasn't a kitten, but it was a cat, like, but it looked like a wee kitten. It was so cute.
It's down there somewhere. How far down?
Like, before this, like, yeah, before the sign.
Oh, that's a good bit down to walk, like.
That's why me and Mia didn't get out.
I'll go down and look at it.
No, come here, come here.
No.
Don't go yet. Wait until that car passes. It's just like over there somewhere. Oh, I think I just seen it.
Do you want to...
Should I drive over?
If it's only as far as that car was, I'd walk down. Hello, Karen, who owns the ginger cat pet?
No, come here, Mum. I'll drive you down. I'll drive you. Come on, get in.
Mrs. Gorman, oh, okay, come here, I'll ring you back in 2 minutes. It's a big fat cat though, isn't it? Aye, but Karen, it's dead, pet. Did he hang up? You're lying to me. I